So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make a paper squishy because I am doing a series. I forgot to record my Sour Patch. Yeah, but I am doing a series. This was my newest one, this is my oldest one. I'm making one today, which is this one, and I'm gonna be using it for the tutorial. So yeah, let me just put this back. And I'm also going to be teaching you how to do slow rise when you squish it. Okay, let's get started. So what you're going to do is get a picture of what you want to do. Yeah. You have to draw it. So you can just put it anywhere. Yeah. And you just draw. So I'm going to show you this. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like after. So this is what it looks like. The transition might not be good, but I don't care because I'm not good at transitions. Just admire how good it looks. I know, right? I'm kidding. This is like the worst thing I made. But I think it would be good. But after I color. But before you color, it's optional if you want to or don't want to. Outline in pen. If you want to outline in Sharpie, I suggest using thin Sharpies, like those skinny Sharpies, not the like normal size one, because it could get rid of all the details and it would ruin everything. So yeah, but it's optional. So I'm going to outline now. So yeah, see. So I did my outline. I forgot to erase the pencil marks, which I'm going to do now. But although it's I don't know. I think I like it better without the outline, but yeah, it just looks ugly. Oh, what's on this? Okay, it doesn't look good to me at all, but that's okay. I'm just erasing these. I'm gonna erase the pen. I need to re-outline it. Oh. Okay, it's good now. Okay, so that's what it looks like now. Don't mind this. This is very bad, but it's fine. So now I'm gonna color. So yeah, another transition. Like this is the third transition. So bye. Boom. Bad transition again, but it's definitely more messy. You guys wanna see? I don't know why I wanna show you, but it got way more messy than last time. But this is what it looks like. Here's what it looks like compared. It's very bad, but it's not. Oh my gosh, I forgot to color this. I don't want to anymore. But this is a close up. In the light. Yeah, as you can see, it does not look good at all. It's my worst one, okay? So, I mean, I tried my best, but it's okay. Can't wait till this becomes squishy. Now, back to the tutorial. When you're done coloring, you have to, make the back and the sides if you need. So if you're making it like a 3D thing, if you want to, it would look better, but you have to draw the sides and stuff, and like here and here, and then you have to also draw the back of it. So So I'm gonna show you what I mean. Just wait. So this is kind of what I mean, but ignore these like mini like extra lines. It was just because I made them a little too big and a little too small. So, this is kind of what I mean, if you know what I mean. If you're doing it 3D. But if you're not, then you just fold it like this or something. Like fold like this, but like this is creased. And then you draw your design here, depending on how big it is. If it's small, then you could do like this, but otherwise you could get 2 papers and then just cut them at the same time. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna just cut this layout. Color this layout and cut it out at the same. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it out and color it and then cut it out. And then I will show you what it looks like. So yeah. So I forgot to tell you something. It's also optional, but I suggest doing it. I already colored it. I just did random designs on it, so don't judge me. And I was rushing because I have to do another squishy. So that's my goal. And my goal is just to finish this up. I don't even know what time it is. So, yeah. And I'm going to tell you that you should laminate these. You should laminate it. Like with tape or just laminate it. I don't know. But you really need to laminate it. Because if you squish it, it really breaks a lot. And the slow rise won't work. And yeah, so you need tape. So that's what I'm gonna do. So see you. So I laminated it, as you could see the shine. I'm about to cut it out. Transition time. Okay, wait, no, I'm not gonna show it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. So, cut it out. Now, the folding part. Okay. I finished it. Finished the folding. And now taping. Yippee! I'm done now. And as you can see, I left an opening on the inside. Because we need to put the cotton inside. So, I got this. I'm sorry, Mom. But it was broken. It broke, so I'm sorry. Also, my Melody, because I'm also doing this. So I just got some cotton, and that's what you did. If you want to slow rise, pay attention. So fill it up. And by the way, if you don't know what slow rise is, which you should know for your squishies, it's like this, but then when you squish it, then it rises slowly. So if you want to know how to do that, then listen. So stuff it in, stuff your cotton in. I kind of have to touch this. Okay. Now, stuff your cotton in, yeah. And then like push the cotton to the corner of your box, or even if it's not a box, it's like this. This is not a box. It doesn't have sides like this. So if it's not like that, same thing. Just put them in the corner. I'm just using a marker because I can't really do it. And make sure it's really in the corner. And put it in the other corner too. My voice is like this because I've been working on this for like 2 hours already. Yeah. I don't know. I don't even know what time it is. I should check soon. But we started at 5. I don't know. So put mine in the corners. And now you can just fill it up all the way to the top, and then I'll tell you what to do. Okay, got my cotton, and time to fill it up. So once it's filled in, mine's filled in till the tippy top now. Close the top like this. Tape the corner. Let me just do that. The corner at the top. Okay, and then wait. Okay, and then you get a little bit of cotton again, and you push it. You kind of like, just like you did to the bottom, do it to the top. Okay. Oh my gosh, this squishy is the worst one I've made ever. Okay, it's okay. But you kind of push it into the corner. Okay, just like we did to the bottom. Okay? Okay. And then you just do the same on the other side. And if you're struggling, that's not my problem. You should be able to do it. So yeah. No. I'm running out of tape. I still have to make these. Okay, so I finished doing it. I just need to retape this thing. Okay, and that's what it looks like. It's not a slow rise. Why is it like that? It usually doesn't work when it's, see, look, this, when it has like things like this, like the sides, then it usually never works. So, but definitely check for air holes if there's air holes, because if there is, then cover them up, and then it should work. But it usually never works on these types, especially if you messed up, like me, like right on the corners, like that. That's ugly. Maybe that's why. So if you want it to look better than mine, then definitely follow my steps, but just do it better. Okay? Okay. See, mine works now, because I covered the air holes. But I think there's still more. It's not working much. So, my eyes. Okay, anyway, that's it for the video. Yeah, and I hope you like my nerds. this was slow rise. This is slow rise. This is not slow rise. This is slow rise. So yeah, I should have added a little more cotton in this. I don't know, but yeah, that's it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed, and now you know how to make paper squishies. Yeah. Someone requested for me to do a teddy bear. I will do that. So I will mention your comment in the video, in the short. So bye bye.